Guys, welcome back to part 4 of this shed build. And what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to try to finish up the roof. Those plywood panels I put on there are just temporary for now, just so the leaves kind of stay away from the inside. And I still got to finish up securing the boards on top here for the attic entrance. I gotta mount these securely so they don't move, and this side as well, and then put on plywood on top here. And this is what it looks like above the freezer right now. I'll probably throw a couple of screws on this plywood so it doesn't move. So basically I'm going to try to finish up the panels on the roof, secure all the boards, everything in place, finish the flooring on top, and maybe even put on siding on the walls here. So that will be the part 4 video, and on part 5 I'll start doing the roof and doing final touches everywhere, and it should be done in part 5. Alright guys, let's continue on part 4 and get this project finished. Let's go. Guys, this will conclude part 4 of this video. Sadly, I didn't get that much done. I got all the panels. I had to go to Lowe's and pick up a few more panels, and that took a little longer, and plus I slept a little longer after a night shift, so things didn't work out for me as I wanted to. I wanted to have the roof panels done and the wall panels installed, but yeah, looks like this will be part 4. And part 5, I'm gonna try and see if I can finish all of that in part 5, because I don't really want to go into part 6 video of this project. So I'll do my best. I just wanted to upload something on the channel so you guys can see the progress of the build. So I hope you guys are enjoying this project. I know it's taking a little bit longer than I expected, but I'll do my best to finish this up so I can get to car projects. Maybe I'll throw in a car project in between part 4 and part 5. Keep things a little more interesting. Plus I'm getting tired just working on the shed alone, so I need some car in my blood. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button. If you got any questions or comments, let me know. And tomorrow I'll be uploading the 5 winners for the shock giveaway for the tailgate assist. So stay tuned for that. I didn't get a chance to complete editing of that video because I'm waiting for another little thing for the truck. It's a thing that I already installed, but it's a second unit. I wanted to experiment by having 2 of them installed. So you guys will see what it is, and I wanted to do a quick install with no cuts, just so you guys can see how fast it is to install that thing. So you guys will see it tomorrow. Once again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!